Hi guys, it's another day, another video. I will show you my alt. It was full of secret brain rot and I have a cursed Kitera, basic Kitera. Let's go. I don't want to show you the code because because it was I have so many brain rots in there that I end for admin abuse and stealing. I will not show the password. Eh, this my account. Nobody can get in there, man. I don't want to show the password. Yeah, I will show you. I'm not lying. By the way, uh, private server instead of brain rot was so expensive. 79 Robux, but for a month, I just spend peso. Yeah, for real, not lying. Next, bye.